Yeah. So good evening, everyone. Just I want to display this art. One of my friends gave to me. He made it into 6 hours. It's really God's grace with art. His name is Mr. Sridhar. So just in 6 hours he did. Yesterday I said I'm coming here. The end of the portrait is unbelievable. Any photographer took like my face like this. It's so beautiful. So hereafter I can go for art, not for a photograph. So see the presentation. I never made any special one for IM Connect. This is the presentation I'm using for the past 10 years. I never changed my presentation. Only change the date and time, that venue name, if there is time on the venue. Okay. This one I did for the Future Group, the Big Bazaar Group, for Kishore Bayani, and the name of Spark. The country level managers, around 1,800 managers, sitting in front of me. I am giving a lecture, and he is that Malik of Big Bazaar Group, that Kishore Bayani. Then suddenly I am switching out to retail marketing to chemical Asian Paints and Indian innovation. And these people are from IIM, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I don't know. Finally, Muruga is taking class on management. Okay. And these are the top level management of Asian Paints. So retail marketing, then chemical, then I'm talking in Reddy Labs in pharma company on frugal innovation, only for R&D guys. You see that one story is matching for Spark, innovation, frugal innovation. So then I did in Vancouver called Beyond Marketing, and in Chennai is for the same Beyond Marketing on the topic of from an idea to an entrepreneurship. So I am running a company called Jaisari Industries. In my company, I don't have a marketing department. I don't have stupid marketing manager. So Inspired, we spread across India, including Andaman and Nicobar Island, and 17 other countries. Within this December, we are going to spread not less than 70 countries. So how we did, that's what I'm going to share with you. So I am the person who used to get award once in fortnight. I used to get mails from various organizations. You are selected for UNESCO award, this, that. If I go through the mail, final 2 lines says, please transfer 1,500 euros for your citation room charges, something. So that's why the same I got somebody from time, something ending with the domain name. Whenever I'm seeing the time mail, I will send it to the spam box to my mail. Then somebody is calling from Delhi on landline phone, we are calling from time something. Then I saw that mail in my iPhone. On a particular day, I'm giving a lecture for Bosch, BOCH, I think the company name in Bangalore. I saw it to the CEO of the company. He go through the mail. Then he shook my hand. Muruga, it's a great deal. Somebody from Time magazine, they selected you as the most influential person in the world, one among the 100. You know, 4 people selected from India: Narendra Modi, Arvind Kejriwal, Arvind Kejriwal, all are okay. Arunachala Muruganathan. That's what I doubt somebody is playing with me. I send to spam box. Then I went to New York to attend the function. Then I asked the same question with that Time magazine person, on what metric, on what criteria selected me. The same I will ask from local also. If anyone asks me to accept the award, I will beg them on what criteria or what metrics you give the award. Usually in India they used to say, Muruga, if you are not deserved, then who else? This is a metric. In New York now I'll ask the same question with Times. You know, the moment I say US, they won't do work alone. Only in India we used to do the script writing, music, direction, camera, everything one director. So if you go to US, even to lift this water bottle, they will form a team. Eric is the coordinator. They will sit, oh my God, Eric, please don't touch. I think we have to touch from the left side, right side. They will plan, they will write, they will do. Then they're asked to document everything, how do they lifting that bottle of water. Then they will write a book, they become an author also. Okay. You know, finally, who lifts that bottle? Some Vishwanath and Subramanian, they will work in US. They will come and lift. Subramanian lift that bottle. Then the team calls somebody. Then they show me some 10, 12 A4 sheets, beautifully spiral mounted one. Then I summarized myself. I converted a social problem into successful livelihood. That's why I'm sharing dias with Obama, everyone. So what the social problem I converted into successful livelihood? 90% of women in India are not using sanitary pads. So there are women in this hall, but nothing has happened. But while I'm using the same slide in Singapore or in UK or in London or San Francisco or New York, the whole hall get punctured. They used to say, oh my God, thus, bush. Because the women in the hall, they are not able to digest in West. How the women are able to manage without a sanitary towel? How they do? How it is possible? Why nothing is happening in the hall? In this hall, the women may think, if the Indian women are not using sanitary towel on a particular day, maybe they are using a rag cloth. But in our experience, we saw for the last 10-year experience, many part of India, they are not even using a rag cloth. Then what they are using, these are all the things. Sawdust, dry tree leaves, old newspaper, ash. Some part of India, they are applying sand on the private part. In Northeast state, I saw a drastic thing. A particular community women, if they are getting menstruated, they are going and sitting on a stalk of hay. Then I told the news to Forbes magazine, they come out a special article, women sitting on a stalk of hay. That's why in this situation, whenever I am reading a newspaper, India is going to send women to Mars or Moon, I laugh like anything. Oh my God, you first give the sanitary pad to the women, then you send the women to Mars, Moon, everywhere. Then while I'm talking about corporate lectures and women hygiene, don't think I'm a gynecologist or a management guru. Next is a warning. Still now I don't know the vocabulary part, sechechari, sochechari, nothing. For next 30 minutes I am going to speak a wrong English. Why? Because I am a school dropout. Studied only 8th standard, that too in a thatched school, not even a proper building. Now I am become an international speaker, I am giving international lectures. That's why I am warning the foreign audience. I am getting a permission to speak next 30 minutes wrong English. Once they permitted, then I started toning the English, kilifying completely, I made into torn pieces. Okay. Because I should not assume, because it is not my mother tongue. So the problem with India is, we always say if you are unable to speak English in proper manner, not the mother tongue. They will say, எனக்கு தமிழ் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சம் வரும். Why? But English நல்லா வரும். Both they are not coming. Okay, earlier they thought at least now they are not able to speak both either Tamil or English. Then something I am saying in front of the crowd, I don't know. So this that simple secret I am growing every second or every minute by saying I don't know. Even I know things 99.9%. If anyone asks, humbly I say, sir, I don't know. But what happened opposite in India, if you meet anyone in India, you ask, sir, do you know astronomy? They say, yes. You know astrology? I know, yes. You know medical, anatomy, everything you know. In India, everybody is a master of obsession. That's why it will take another half a century to India become a superpower or superpower. That's why what I am saying, please give this mentality to your younger generation, your children, to say, I don't know humbly. Then you see automatically the learning will start. The next is my presentation is this. That is why I never changed my presentation for the last 10 years. Even for another 1 century, no need to change. This is my presentation. Usually I put an empty slide or a clear slide. Recently I gave a lecture for Unilever in London. Because of their corporate mandatory, some color comes in left and right. It is a mandatory of Unilever in London. Because they are unable to remove, I am also tried, then whenever I tried, it is not going, the color is not going. So the moment I put this slide, how many of the mind in this hall is like says, why this man putting an empty slide or a clear slide? So out of it you can measure your maturity level. Because nothing in the world is empty, even this space is filled with spiritual neurons. Because we are inhaling that, that's why we are able to stay stable, not because of the biryani or orange juice you drink. That's why the elderly people say keep 30% stomach empty. Why? Then only you can able to stay stable. So I born as a handloom weaver son in down south, Coimbatore. It is an orthodox city. Still now it is very conservative. People used to make golden chair, then they will paint ordinary paint, then they will sit. That is Coimbatore. Understand? They will actually they are sitting on a golden chair, but they won't. So they will paint with ordinary paint. That is Coimbatore. You know, there all are family companies. No corporate is thrived in Coimbatore because everything managed by son-in-law, mother-in-law, this law, that law. They won't allow third person inside. So there is no big corporate. It won't going to come out in Coimbatore because everything is family health. Okay. Then my father died in a road accident. Then my mother became a caretaker of the family. The moment housewife became a caretaker, only job available in country is becoming a farm worker. She became a farm worker and she earning around 12 rupees a day. Out of it, she is trying to make me as a police officer with khaki uniform with kanji, lot of kanji, to stand like this. And I am having two younger sisters, one sister into collector, other sister into doctor. Why? Because She used to watch lot of Saukar Janagi, Savitri, K. movies during tax movies. That's why she wanted to imitate the same in the personal life. Being a small boy, I understood it's only possible by Saukar Janagi and Savitri in screen, not by my mother. That's why I stopped my schooling to support my mother. But even though whenever media person coming to my home, my mom used to say like this, see my son without education what he's doing, if you get educated what he will do. So, I want to know, I will put a mic on to become a call center employee earning 15,000 per month, sir. Like a Dhanush, okay. If I get educated, maximum I will become a call center employee, yes, something will happen. That's what I told, luckily I never get educated. I'm pronouncing this 1,000 times, luckily I never get educated. Then I became a workshop helper, like Kadal film, small boy, I think, carrying tea and bidi. Then I learned welding. Then I became a fabricator. Then I became a owner of a small workshop. Then the moment you are having a small business, age around 23, what is next? Even after seeing many men they are suffering, it is very difficult to manage. Knowing everything, I also did the same mistake. One day I got married. That is arranged marriage. I saw a yellow color Vidya Balan like a girl in the room. So they weren't allowed to speak. I saw peep into the window. I saw a yellow color girl like Vidya Balan. Then I thank Ganpat, Vinayak, everybody. You are giving an ordinary welder a super figure. I said, I'm going to marry. Then I married. Then what the magic happened? What the yellow color girl, you know what I married? In 2 days, she became a dull black color girl. I don't know what the magic they did with the makeup. Then from the day one, without a formal MBA from any IIM in this country, I am managing my wife and mother at the same house, 17 successful years. Okay. So many men in the hall, I know they are suffering because now I am getting calls from all middle level managers, many of my friends. Maybe I'm telling Magesh, he's a manager in a big company. Muruga, where are you? Please come to Hotel Alangar. By 6 o'clock in the evening, then I am searching Magesh in all meeting halls. Finally, I end up in a bar. I asked Magesh, why are you sitting in the bar by 6 o'clock in the evening? He says, he's a hell man. No, recently he bought the apartment for 2 crores. No, I am not talking about the apartment. Then who, you know? 2 people, his mother and his wife. Then I get shocked, even he is unable to manage 2 people, person at home, how he is going to manage 600 people at corporate? That's my problem. That's why now I am boldly saying to big corporate, they are following my advice. If you want to really manage a good manager to your company, first conduct interview in English. That's wrong. Do it in a vernacular language. Really you want a good manager, if you conduct interview in English, you will miss lot of knowledgeable person. First conduct your company interview in a vernacular language. Then don't waste the time of the panel, interview panel. Now they will ask all stupid questions. One day I saw in a panel, that panelist asking to the candidate, what's the capital of London? Then I said, Sir Ravi, why you are asking? London is already capital of England. No, we are checking the alertness of the candidate. The candidate also carry, it's happened really, I'm telling you, it's true. The candidate is also carrying this much of file. An MBA certificate is one single A4 sheet. What is there in the big file? I saw many candidates, they are carrying lemon and spoon winning certificate from elementary school. Balloon winning, this, that. I said, when I come out of the room, why you are carrying all this? Sir, you see the panelists, each and everybody is having a different interest. Maybe one person in lemon and spoon, other maybe in football. That's why I am carrying everything. Then he said, don't waste your time, Sir Ravi. You see, you want a manager, ask only 3 questions, very short. If anyone come in, look at them, just ask first question, are you married? If anyone says, are you living with your mother and wife in the same house? Again says, you just ask how many years. Anyone say 3 years, straight away appoint any post, they will manage. So why I am saying, you know, now in Maruti Udyog, the HR manager killed in workplace. In my small city, Coimbatore, 2 HR managers killed in the workplace. These are the clear indication of the failure of management, because to learn management, IIM or Harvard is not the source. The joint family is the source. Luckily, born in a joint family. From my childhood, I understand about adjustment, give and take. That now that IIMs are creating a robotic type of management student, they are coming out like this robot. You see, this is called management. If your fingers get freeze, can you handle, even you cannot sign your signature. So management is not rigid like a rostrum. It is a flexible, under and flexible. So it will take time because they put you in the last wicket for 450. Then, you being a new husband, my important duty is to impress the new wife, brand new wife like Adhika standing here. So to impress my new wife, I used to offer 5 rupees plastic pendant or 10 rupees glass bangle, not giving it direct. I used to gift wrap, color ribbon, Then I say, my wife's name is Santi. Santi, close your eyes, turn left, turn right. This way I am giving a value addiction for the 5 rupees plastic pendant. It is called value addiction. Then one day I saw Santi is carrying something behind her to the purpose to hide me. Then I ran away behind her. I saw a nasty rag cloth with a blood stain. Then I understood she is adopting an unhygiene method. Then on a particular day I got only one idea. I don't want to lie in front of you, because many people, they had a small achievement, a small award in front of TV, they will give interview like, from my mother womb, I want to help society, something, I want to, my role model is Mother Teresa, don't want to lie. I don't have any idea what I am doing now. On a particular day, I got only one idea. Why not offer a sanitary pad packet as a gift to my new wife? It's true. Then to buy a sanitary pad packet, only available place, even now to buy all the brands, is medical shop. Then I went to the medical shop. That shopkeeper asked me, what brand do you want? Who knows brand and all? I just point out the packet inside the showcase. What he did, he took the packet, he never handed on me like other product. He placed a old newspaper, he packed, he looked left and right, he handed me like a smuggling product. I never asked for a condom. Okay. Then it's curious for me why he is doing like this. But even now, if you ask this product even in Chennai or Bangalore or in Mumbai, they will put in a brown color or something. Because the shopkeeper doing like this, I am having a curiosity what is inside. If I open the packet, something will jump like a frog from the packet. That's why I took the packet to my home, opening. Very first time I am taking out the sanitary pad in my lifetime. An 8-inch length white color substance like a bandage. Usually I will stop here. How many of the gentlemen in this hall, you ever touched the sanitary pad in your life? 1, 2, 3, 4. See, that's all. So no matter it's Las Vegas or San Francisco, including Bill Gates, only few they have raised hand. That is why many countries, the presidents of countries, they don't know what is sanitary pad. Many health ministers of the countries, they don't know what is sanitary pad. Out of 577 MPs, 99% they don't know what is sanitary pad. That's why the penetration of sanitary pad usage in India is less than 5%. But this all I don't know on a particular day. Then being a handloom weaver son, I am having a connection with cotton, yarn and all. The napkin which I took out from the packet, the weight may be 10 grams. The raw material is cotton. The raw material cost is just 10 paise in 1998. But I bought the napkin for 6 rupees. Like a venture capitalist, I calculated the X factor. 10 paise to 6 rupees. 60x, na? Then I thought one idea. Why not try to make an affordable sanitary pad for my Santi? You see, everything, innovation begins at home. Yesterday I talked the subject. So if you really want to help society or the world, please start from your wife. Okay. Everything starts from your home, then it is working, then you go to the street, then go to the village, go to the country. Not straight away to clean up that world or whole India in one stroke they will try. Everybody wants to clean India by starting a political party. It's impossible. First do it your home, clean it, then you come to street, then come to village, do it something. Then I went to a textile mill, I bought the cotton web, then cutting into rectangle, I wrapped with the viscose cloth which is used in handcuff and collar. In 2 days I made a similar napkin what I bought from the shop. Now the problem is, if I want to do some engineering research, very well I can do in my smaller shop. Now I entered into women personal hygiene, I need a women volunteer. In India, only Nandas, Anandas, Swamijis surrounded by hundreds of women, whether they ask or not. This Murugananda never get a single woman volunteer. The only available choice or victim is my wife Santi. Then as usual I gift her the 2 packets. Then I don't have any idea of how it is happening at the menstruation, when it is happening, I don't know. But only I am having a gloomy idea. In my small village, there is a Mariamman temple. In front of the temple, women will assemble as a group. Only few enter inside, rest they will wait outside. Out of it, I am a clever man. I am thinking women are getting menstruation Friday. That's why I select a Good Friday to hand over napkin to Santi. Then I ask him feedback instantly, like giving a chocolate. Then Santi says, no, like that, wait for some time. Then only I came to know it is a monthly once. Why I am saying here, many boys, they are becoming a man, then they are becoming an husband, then father, grandfather, great-grandfather, then they are dying without knowing what is happening in the partner's body. Luckily, I came to know everything in my early marriage days. Then I forgot about this. After 3 weeks, I got that feedback from Santi. What napkin you gave to me, it is very nasty. I am going back to my rag cloth using method. That day is a remarkable day. Then that is my first failure. You just underline that what I am saying the word. I am a small welder having a small workshop. I am pronouncing that is my first failure. In this hall, everybody are thinking you are very successful. That is not true. Because in India, every man having 1,000 under them. I can't have the word in English. Any man under them, under the level, there are thousands, crores. That's why you feel as a successful person. You go to Singapore, you are a failure one. You know the philosophy. In this hall, you feel successful. Like that, as a welder, I feel that cotton matter make me fail. This is my first failure. But do you think as a welder, I am a successful person? But myself, I feel successful person. How you are feeling in this hall? But actually, not. That means go further, go further. Then I tried with the different cotton mill cotton, then making napkin, hand over to Santi, waiting for a month. It's a time-taking process. Then I catches my younger sisters. The problem is they used to say the napkin is not good, but they won't elaborate in detail because it is a taboo what I am talking in front of the public. Menstruation is a taboo not only in India, around the globe. The wife never talk to husband, their daughter never talk to mother, friends they don't talk each other. Such a subject I am handling in a public dais. Even I am doing it under time, it is nothing like walking on sword. Then, being this menstruation, they elaborate in a single word. Whenever I am asking feedback, the Maniratnam director will come into my wife or sisters. They used to say Deva, Vanda, Pona, Setta, Nadanda. Single word answer they will. That too, they will turn to the wall, feet, I have to see the back. Then in a small house, everywhere there is God pictures. I said in London, we used to hang our God. Then the British will surprise, why you are hanging your God? I said, putting nail on the wall, hanging his God. Whenever I am talking menstruation subject, either Ganpat or Shiva will watch, Santi says, in front of Kadabul you are talking this. Where I can go talk, then they get frustrated, then they warn me, if you are going on do the research, then we will tell to mother. Then I never stop. Whenever I am in a workshop, I think, how can I do the research further? Then I got, why not approach medical college students? Then I got few volunteers for medical college. The same problem what I face in my family, that girls also having hesitation to talk with an unknown man. Then I decided one day, hereafter I should not depend the girls. Why not try sanitary pad myself? I wore a sanitary pad. Where can I go for uterus? I made artificial uterus in a football bladder, a rubber bladder. Animal blood filled in it. I tied here. There is a tube connection to the bladder to the napkin. While I am cycling and walking, I made a small press. A dosage of blood will go there. You just imagine the whole story never happened in Western country. It has happened in Papanaikkenbodur in Coimbatore. That's why something is happening around me. I never realized. Then I hide the matter while I am using that medical college as a volunteer. One day Santi, while serving lunch, she is said something different. Is face and eyes. She is looking a permission. I am going to ask one thing. Don't mistake me. I said, go ahead. And she started crying. Many of my friends are saying you are roaming with medical college girls. And I said, no. I went to the medical college, repair the main gate. One left gate is become down. So she never believed. Then she said, I am getting bored here. I want to go to my parents' home for a few days. Then I dropped her, my wife at my mother-in-law home. Then 1 week gone, 2 weeks gone, a month gone, she never come back. On second month, I got a divorce notice from my wife. That's the first struggle for my work. But I never took it in the wrong manner because Santi is giving a shock treatment to make drop the research. Then how I took she is separate. That means she is temporarily gone. I want to use the gap to complete my research because my mother is with me. There is no problem for food. That's what I am saying. All the men, keep your mom at your home. It is an emergency service. Then even after using napkin myself, I won't feel comfortable. But the 3-4 weeks while I am using that, I come to a conclusion. The strongest creature created by God, not the elephant, not the tiger, not the lion, the women. If you are happy left, then even after using napkin, I come out to another serious idea. Instead of giving a napkin to a woman, then begging them what has happened, why it has happened, why not ask a used pad from the women? But how can you ask in India, even you are loving a girl for 3 years, finally ask for 3 hair from the head, she won't give you. Because the 3 hair you are going to do some black magic, mesmerism, something. Suppose my wife is with me, very well I can use my wife napkin, she is separated. In this situation, I am going to my mother-in-law home asking if Santi is used napkin, she will call the police. Then I say my dependence on the medical college girls, I never forget the day. Because I am becoming a first Bansal and Jack Ma, Flipkart, Snapdeal, I am delivering at college 15 years before. Because whether it is good or not, they started using it. Then I said to the girls, thank you girls using for my napkin, whether it's good or not. After that, you are throwing here and there in the campus. Instead of that, why not put on a particular bin I am going to keep here? Up to that, perfect, nothing is. After that, is going to come and collect. The moment said, the girls ran away from me. I told, put use napkin here, I am going to come and collect. Why I'm saying in this bubbly, now I'm giving lectures for pharma companies. See, an uneducated person did the research in a straightforward, transparent manner. Many pharma companies, they are doing unethical clinical tests in many villages in India. That's what I'm telling this for you. I can do very well by bribing a janitor 50 rupees. I can steal the drum from the toilet. Then I took the drum as a treasure to my home. Then I have handkerchief and I closed my nose. I spread all the used napkin in the backyard of my home. Why it becomes so tough? How the soft drink industry is monopolized by two companies like Pepsi and Coke. This the domain is monopolized by Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson. You cannot decode by sending the product to any lab. That is why I'm struggling from day 1, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. I'm unable to find what is the raw material which is used by Johnson or Procter & Gamble. Then that's why now I'm seeing practically I want to see what happened to company napkin after use to my napkin. One fine Sunday I'm very seriously researching that napkin. I never realized my mother is coming back. She thought son is cleaning country chicken for Sunday. The moment someone saw the substance, she started crying like anything. She said somebody did on my son. He became totally mad. She left instantly by taking all her belongings. The moment mother left, the whole village come out the story. They started tweeting, even in 98. Murugadam having illegal connection with many girls, not single girl. Because once you are building a story or gossip, build up to the sky. That is a theory. Then I am having a sexual disease. Then I am becoming a vampire in the night, drinking girls' blood. That's why they want to chain my both the legs with iron chain in a hole. It's up and down, up and down. Or they want to chase up from the village. It's a Kaf Panchayat. Once they pronounce the verdict, even a Supreme Court verdict can be changed. You cannot change the Kaf Panchayat verdict. Before they are doing it, I ran away from my own house like a thief. I stayed in a nearby village. It is almost 2 years, 4 months. I understand the raw material. Again, you see another problem. You need this multi-million-dollar machine to process the raw material. In one stage, to understand the raw material, wife left, mother left, the whole village thought I'm a psycho, pervert, all the things. Again, the problem, you need this multi-million-dollar plan. Any startup, maybe you are sitting here, an entrepreneur with struggle or newly married. If you are trying to do something, it becomes harder, more harder, it becomes a mountain. What you will do as a surplus educated person? You will give up. Or you surrender with your mother-in-law, take back Santi. So my philosophy is something you are trying, it becomes harder or more harder. It's a clear indication by Lord Shiva or Jesus. Go ahead, if you do it, you will get accolade. Because how simple you are doing it, you are a fool, anyone can do it. Then apply on this method. Do you have this curriculum in your IIM syllabus? Even you are paying 80 lakhs or $100,000 to any international college to design something, you are coming out, if you want to do something like this, as I put, this only possible or method given by God is this only, including marriage, cooking, everything. Luckily, foreigners are doing several times. In India, there is no chance. If you do it one time, no trial and error. They arrested many Indian culture. The problem now, West they given freedom. Even marriage they can do trial and error. 7, 8, 9. They're lucky. But we are locked up now. Second means your second. So since I did on my with own money, with my own place, very well I am saying this innovation done on trial and error method in a small workshop. But the same, a corporate using a public money or a stakeholder money, venture capital money or ISRO, NASA, they won't say politely like this. That's why they coined the word like this. What they are doing? Because that many younger people, they are afraid, oh my God, this R&D, something, they think something, it is meant for Kalam, ISRO, Bill Gates. No, if you put Thoda Pani, upar dilute it, become like this. So whenever you see, don't feel proud. That is something gimmick. Go to adopt this method. It's meant for everyone. For Katambadi, Kandasamy, Kuppusamy, Palnisamy, Munik, everybody can do. So out of this method, I spent another 4.5 years. I made this simple machine. On this machine, you can apply same raw material which is used by Johnson Company. Any uneducated woman can make world-class pad in this small hall. Then I supplied the same napkin made on this machine to the medical college girls. One day I am asking feedback from Bhuvana. She is coming scooty. That time the ladies have started driving scooter without self-starter. I said, Bhuvana's scooter is fine. Then what is happened? My napkin. They usually call brother. Anna, I am using your napkin. I forget. See the feedback. A girl is forgetting. She is on a period. I forget. That is a yoga moment for me. I did it. such a great napkin man, please forget. Then I stopped asking feedback. Then being an engineering product, this should be evaluated somewhere. The only place in India is Indian Institute of Technology. Those days I don't have no difference between ITA and IIT because both are having I's and T's. Then I sent a message from Coimbatore to Chennai IIT. Very first time seeing a man with French beard, they are not wearing full pant or half pant, up to this mukkal pant, is Bermudas, Nike shoes. Then they are speaking English with whole body. Aye, boy. I thought, now I'm traveling across the globe. I'm traveling, even West, they're speaking only from mouth or tongue. Why these people are big? Then they started criticizing. They did innovation, but they're criticizing in big hall like this, in one corner. Why this man took risk that whole even personal life, he made this simple machine, what is going to do with this? See, the question means they are criticizing English, but I'm having answer for them on a particular day. That's what I'm boldly saying with Narayan Murthy or Ratan Tata or Anil Ambani, don't conduct interview in English, you will lose managers. On a day I'm having answer for them. I understand what they're talking, but unable to reply. See, I'm struggling to pick up English word. So what the answer for them, they are criticizing what way I'm going to apply the simple machine against Johnson and Procter & Gamble. My answer for them on a particular day stuck in with my mother language Tamil. I am a handloom person, I told. My father and myself, we bought a handloom machine for 300 rupees, 90% made of wood. We installed at our home. My father weaved handloom weaving sarees. We sold and survived. Father, mother, myself, two younger sisters, we never died amid of 460 fully mechanized mill in my city. That means my father don't want to use the simple equipment to rub shoulder with the mill owner. The same way I don't want to use equipment to rub shoulder with Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson. I am seeing this machine having a capability to give a livelihood for women. That's why many times you are unable to debate with your wife or mother-in-law or father-in-law or superiors, MD, CEO. Don't debate with them. Show it practically success, then they will shut their mouth. That's why I took the first machine from Tamil Nadu to Bihar in Madhubani district. Then I set up that. Something happened, the video is not finished. Then second machine I give it to rural areas. These women are called as a Naxal family or Maoist family. Only their brothers, father, uncles are having guns. These women are eating good food only on festival days. I given the machine to them. Then I took the machine on donkey's back in Rudraprayag. It is 18-hour drive from Dehradun. This the back, villages are situated on the mountain slopes. I don't know how many villages come into Indian census. This is the back view. Even you are having cancer, go and stay there for 3 months. Walk on the tribal for the tribals. In 3 months you will have a 6 packs here and the cancer will cure. So to reach this place, Johnson & Johnson will take another 25 years. Muruganandam is already here. This is called rural marketing. Okay. Because rural marketing is a fancy word, but I am doing it in a practical, profitable way. Then in schools, the school girls are making their own pads in a small machine, the program called Raster pads. I'm going stripping. So these are all watched by Western media, like BBC, CNN, they come out an article, then out of it I got a Presidential Award for Engineering Innovation in 2009. The Basmati I got this year is in 2009. Then anything in this hall, you are coming out some business means brand. The moment it is a brand, the next word coming to your mind is this. To come out a brand is not an easy job nowadays, you need $1 billion because there are 200 channels, thousands of media. To make remember a single name, Lakola something, you need $1 billion. So no one can ever think, only multinationals or Mukesh or Anil or somebody. Then suddenly all the Jack Mas are making lot of noise on this model. This also you can't retain people. Every month the CEOs will resign, they will start new company. So on the both the model anyone try, you need money power, muscle power, God power, wife power, lover power, everything. How Muruga is competing on the both big giants on retailing and e-tailing, Muruga's model is detailing. I am not giving talk, I am trying to detail for the small crowd. Any one mind get inspiration, you come out a new business, that's what. Everywhere I am trying to detail, every call I am doing, not attending call, something I am trying to detail. It is very difficult, you cannot get a manager to do this. I challenge with Kishore behind anyone. You cannot get a manager to do this. They will do 10 times, 11th time, Magesh, come and explain the customer finish. No salesman, no manager do this unless service you get a passionate people is big subject. So out of this method, we created around 960 plus local brands. That brands are competing very well, the multinational companies brand. That is why I am sharing table with Paul Polman of Unilever CEO, having $123 billion revenue. Okay. And the black coat is Sanjeev Mehta of HLL. He is handling 7 countries from Hindustan Liver Limited in Mumbai. Finally, Muruga is in middle. So why? Because except maybe you are here e-platform, Snapdeal, Flipkart, Ola, Mala, Uber, Tabir, Kubir, everything they are doing business, including timer. So they are doing business. They are calling us a ghost business. They don't have legs. That's why they want to hold some rostrum, something. They are sending balloons. They are sending manless cars. Yago. It's a ghost business. In the situation, I am making machine. Women are going to menstruate for another 1,000 years. I am making sand repair. It's a rock solid business. Under FMCG, it is item girl. Muruga is item girl. That's why I am standing in front of it. It's a FMCG business. So it's happened in Seattle on the special invitation. So very first time the Americans are laughing from heart. I made them laugh from heart. That blue coat is chief of Susanna of MIT. The whole talk is posted on the MIT talk. So some skips. So this now we are working here very largely in UP. So he is my become close friend. I can take 2 minutes or 1 minute. I can close.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Enough. This become viral in Western media like Independent, Guardian. No Hindu, no Express. They never bother about this. Only in West it's happening like a viral. Then I am giving lectures in Harvard, in JF Kennedy School, MIT. Then finally IMA call. We are from IMA call. Who is ABC? We are Ahmedabad, this is superior. Our anomalies, I said, I have 2 months, then only I will come. Then anyone local media, you come next month, I said. Then I am working here and there in India for 10 years. Even to make a small impact, my lifetime will not sufficient. That's what I do. I want to do it in a particular state. Make the state a 100% napkin using country. Then it became a role model for the rest of the state. Then finally I called by Aglesh. Then the discussion happened in his home. It is 1.5 hours meet. I said, what I can going to talk with you, let us wait for Dimple. He said he is caught in a traffic. I said, when the chief minister's wife caught in traffic. He said, in UP it is everyone. Everyone should be caught in traffic. Then I used that old man sitting to fetch water, pani bulao, coffee doll, this that I used for 1.5 hours. After finishing meeting, he is introducing that old man. He is the law minister of UP. I don't know what I can do. He said, no problem. From the first minute, I said, pani bulao. He said, oh, wow. Then finally introduced, he is the law minister of UP. Okay, no. He posted on his web page and everything. So this is a mail I got from various foreign countries. The sanitary napkin is not affordable not only by Indian girls, even foreign girls is telling, I grew up in a very poor family. I used to steal toilet paper from public toilet. I used in my underwear. I read the mail to Obama mail ID and never replied. So very simple, what do you need to create a new thing or something? Don't look for an opportunity, it's outdated method. Nowhere the opportunity live on an open place. If it is there, it's already grabbed by mafia or political people. Instead of looking for an opportunity, please kindly look for this. Luckily, we born in India. Every step, you will get 10 problems. If I, like a guru, say everybody will get a good life, it is a lie. If I say everybody get a problem, it is not a curse. Take a problem and be a solution provider. Address the problem with your knowledge. So be a solution provider. Then everybody get a chance. So luckily we born. So then I tried to build my company not on revenue based something because the world no need definitely another billionaire or millionaire. The stupid, that's what I don't want to be another billionaire, a stupid billionaire. I don't want to appear on a Forbes or this magazine. I can't go for 4 months also, it is joke. That's what I tell. So far 2,400 machines set up in almost all over India. And these are names given by the world. Finally they called me as a corporate bomber. I never put any bomb on any corporate. But this that photographs of the Time Mela function. 4 people selected, I told Narendra Modi, Arvind Kejriwal, Arundhati Rai. I thought anyone will come, I can stand behind them because this is my English. None has come to the function. Finally, a school dropout representing India in Lincoln Center, Times Square, New York. I'm touching all the celebrities. Even they seeing the photo, you touched the girl. Where you touched? The American asked me. I said, I touched here the girl. Then I walking like Aishwarya Rai in red carpet, 2 girls assisting. Every step I have to make, then turn. I have to laugh 100 cameras taking photograph. I manage the white background on the ground floor. Then I'm going to first floor. The girls are warning me, Muruga, please careful. They're allied press. You see ordinary dosa. This is masala dosa. Something is ordinary dosa. This is masala dosa. Then they are bombarding question with stick mic with the sly English by light 11:45. We feel Modi is Indian Putin. What is your opinion? In the election time, if I say yes, if I touch down at Chennai while coming back, the BJP will kill me. Then somebody asking, the stand you took on Sri Lanka is not good. What is your opinion? I can't say go and ask Manmohan Singh. Then one girl is trying to meet me from the crowd, is staying like this. I say, please, Muruga, only one question. Why modeling is not picking up in India? 11:55 night. Why modeling is not picking up in India? I said simply, Shanti is not interested. Because my philosophy is, I always make the West to ask the first part. Immigration everywhere. I don't ask what. I ask first what they will ask. What? This is my philosophy. It's a very high profile meeting. There you can see the whole Manhattan from the glass panels. I served the table with this influential women. I think you know who she is. The measurable social impact created is so far 24,000 rural women got livelihood, and we shipped around 13 to 14 million women from unagent to this method. The vision is creating 1 million rural employment, converting India to 100% happiness country from the current level of less than 5% is a cumulative achievement of dozens of prime ministers, presidents. It is from 1947 to 2016. Even our team converting this 5 into 10 is the greatest achievement, because earlier 5 stand for 65 years of independence. Not only India, the design will very well match for 106 developing nation. That is why it is called Silent Pink Revolution. We have spread all these countries. So that is why this is called Beyond Marking, truly made in India by truly Indian. Thank you very much. Bye.